This is a short video to be used for coaching surfboat rowing technique. Unlike Olympic stillwater rowing, surfboat rowing stroke technique varies slightly depending on ocean conditions and each stage of the race. The start requires a high rating and explosive power to pull the boat through the water, focusing on acceleration to punch through the surf.
Front chops! Yeah, baby! Let's go! There's only 3 of us out.
Once successful negotiation of the surf has occurred, efficiency is the main focus, trying to keep the boat running at top speed between strokes to get an edge over the other crews.
1. Put it on, boys. Catch, extend it.
Towards the end of the race, both power to ensure boat is travelling fast enough to catch waves, and again efficiency to ensure top speed is maintained to sneak down a wave ahead of other competing crews, which is paramount to ensure a good race result. However, the basic components are similar to that of stillwater rowers, with the stroke components being made up of 4 phases. The catch phase is where the hands are lifted to place the oar blade into the water. A good catch phase ensures maximum water displacement, which is instrumental through the drive phase. The drive phase is followed by the exit phase, which flows into the recovery phase. Now we'll break these phases down and discuss their importance. You can see here how the athletes raise their hands, placing the oar blade into the water, giving a solid connection in order to pull the boat past this point of contact. Failure to do so will result in the oar slapping across the surface or washing out early in the drive phase. The drive phase, acceleration every stroke. Drive phase is where you use leg drive to push the boat forward, as well as hip extension and the use of the arms to assist the legs and hips in order to pull the boat past this catch point. These 3 body parts are used in series to get boat up to maximum speed. It is important to maintain good upright trunk posture to connect the upper and lower parts of the kinetic chain with a strong core. Upper, trunk, and lower body all finish together at the end of the drive phase to achieve top boat speed. The exit phase is where the hands are quickly but smoothly lowered at the end of the drive phase and pushed forward parallel to the gunnels in order to clear the water and not slow the boat abruptly. The drive phase has accelerated the boat to top speed, and the last thing we want is to stop the boat unnecessarily. The hands are fully extended to ensure maximum clearance of the blade from the water to minimise the chance of getting caught on the choppy water. Getting caught leads to more drag, which leads to a higher reduction in boat speed. The recovery phase is broken down to a rockover where hip flexion occurs with good trunk posture, then smoothly transitioned into the slide in order to get back to the catch position to take the next stroke. The rockover ensures the oar handle is distal to the knees to allow maximum water clearance of the blade and smooth slide. The recovery must be as controlled as possible, as any abrupt or charging movements will slow the boat speed down excessively, leading to a less efficient hull speed. When the boat slows too much every stroke, it is more physiologically demanding through each drive phase, causing early fatigue within the race. Good rowers make it look like an effortless sport, but many hours of technical training goes into surfboat rowing. Rowing requires the whole body, which makes it a very physically demanding sport. When ocean conditions are constantly changing, it is important to have good mental stamina also, and this is where good technique differentiates the champion crews from the field.